Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we could not found any drivers to get storage. How to resolve this issue? First of all, you have to go to the load drivers. Just click on that and then click on browse. And in browse, I will go to flash drive and I will go to this file, again this folder. If I click on that, and you will see I will get one option here. Okay, after that I will click on next and will have to wait for few seconds. This software is not working, this driver, so I will take you also to the ASUS website. In ASUS you can search for the drivers of ASUS laptop. Okay, now here what you have to download, I will give you link also. uh, this driver also it will work. This Intel rapid storage technology. Okay, so you can download this also. I will download and I will copy into the flash and I will show you again. After downloading this Intel rapid technology, you have to double click on that in the same laptop, not in the you are installing the window in other laptop. Just click on OK, and if you click on next, OK, and you will get the option for extraction. Okay, just click, don't install, just click on extract and then change your location into, okay, and this I will create one new page, new folder. Okay, I will browse again. New folder, click OK, click next, install, finish, and you will see drivers. So now we'll go to the screen of our second laptop where we are installing the Windows. We are back on the same page. We'll browse again from the flash drive. We'll go to new folder, click OK. Where you can see it is taking. Okay, we'll try with the first one. We'll click on next and it will start taking results. Here you can see we have our drive finally. So we'll delete all the partition and create again. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.